we're building a rally car. We're going to be starting the rally build on these 2020 Nissan Kicks. It is the 1.6 engine, and today we're going to be adding off-road lights into the hood. You can find these brackets on my website, and it's pretty much simple and easy, guys. Let's get started. The parts are going to arrive like this in a box, 2 brackets inside, and it's a simple install. The wiring is a little difficult, but I'll show you how to do it. For your off-road lights, your brackets, there's not really a driver or passenger side. You can swap either way. So when I made these, designed these, I made the hole as possible as bigger so you can have a little movement. If you don't like it a certain way, you can always change it. And also I built them to be secured, and for course nobody will steal your lights. It kind of sucks, you know, that you go outside from the store and your lights are gone. So that's why you gotta get the quality stuff. It's easier to do it with 2 people, but of course you can always do it with 1. So it's an easy install. Anybody can do it. You can do it. Like I said, it's easier with 2 people. You can do it by yourself. You might struggle a little bit like I did, but that's pretty much it. Now, I'm gonna do the next one. So the kit comes with a relay. This is not my kit. I got this on eBay. You can use whatever off-road lights you like, what wiring kits you guys like, and pretty much installing. I am going to be using this, you know, this thing that holds the cover on, this bolt. You know, I don't want to drill one yet, once I'm sure, but you could just have it there. The more you tighten it, the secure it becomes. So this cable, black and white, of course, is for your lights. I ain't going to be tapping to these because this is a kit for a single light, so I'm just going to make it double. Now your relay, your fuse, and now the ground. I just finished installing one of the off-road lights. The guy that I ordered from only sent me one when I ordered 2, so the other one's already on its way. But for the meantime, there's just one. So when I designed this brackets, I didn't want you guys to have that lighted hit, you know, hit the windshield. It's gonna be annoying that you gotta take it out every single time you want to open your hood. So I did modify this because sometimes the brackets do come with a longer bolt. You could get a different kit like I do. So I got this kit from Harbor Freight. Have all type of bolts and accessories, you know, smaller bolt, or you can always cut the original bolt, you know, make it shorter. But this is just perfect for me because I don't like cutting. Now these lights do have, right now, have it wired like this. Since I'm waiting on the other light to come, I don't want to make it permanent. So this yellow one is for the little hazardous ones. You know, you're negative, you're positive. So when I do turn it on, I did wire the wire like this. So this is the off button. You see it's red right now. So when I turn it on, it goes green. So I did run the wire there. I know it's gonna be hitting by the door. He goes right into the firewall, but for me, it didn't really make sense right now making a hole in the firewall. I have done it before, but until I have more accessories to it, then I'll make a whole firewall and a plug and make everything right the first time. But right now I am testing it since I am waiting on the other light. You can always make plugs for them to pigtails, but you could disconnect. So this is what the car community is about, you know, caring for each other, helping each other. Well, you know, the cars broke it down, how they did it, you know, and supporting one another. You know, a lot of cars been there from day one to us, and most of us, we don't know what would be, you know, without them. So this is the way I'm building this Kicks for rally. It is chapter 1. It's the bare bone stock, no modification, and that's the way I'm gonna do it. So when I do press the button, it's on, and it looks something like that. But if I disconnect the yellow one, I turn off the hazard ones. So I'm just want this one. I really don't want hazardous ones. So everything's designed well on these brackets. See, it's not hitting anything in the windshield. And the eBay listing, is you could put the cube ones, but I don't recommend like the one that my Chevy Trailblazer has over there, the big round circle ones, like 6 inches wide, because eventually you can always go so high before it looks goofy or, you know, weird. So let me put the hood down and you guys can see how it looks. Just enjoy them.